I'm going to give you a number of progressions to help you develop the skills and strength necessary for a handstand walk. One of the first progressions we're going to work on is called a wall walk. It's going to give you some strength in being able to walk on your hands and get upside down at the same time. Being comfortable upside down is key to being able to do a handstand walk, obviously. For some of you, you haven't been upside down in a really, really long time. For others of you, this is going to be no problem. But for all of us, we're going to practice doing a wall walk where we are literally walking our hands towards the wall as our legs are walking up to the wall and we get upside down. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to get into a push-up position with our feet touching the wall or very close to the wall and just holding ourselves up. Once we get in this position, we're going to raise one of our legs up and then the other one, and now most of my weight is transferred to my arms. And I'm going to get up as high as I can comfortably. Now, for some of you, this may be as high as you want to go because you want to have a place to come back down or to crash down. We want to be careful, obviously. But what we want to do on this wall walk is be able to get up as high as we can, comfortably, and then safely walk back down. And then back up and back down, back up and back down. Each time we're ideally trying to get a little bit higher, maybe about here, step back down. Okay, let's try that again. Maybe to about here, back down. All right, your shirt is always gonna pop up. Then we wanna work ourselves all the way up to where we can get into a handstand position with our stomach against the wall. And then be able to walk ourselves back out. So that's where we're gonna start. We're gonna start learning to walk on our hands by getting comfortable walking up a wall to get upside down and then walking back down. We're focusing on a couple of things as we go through that progression. We're focusing on keeping our tummy super tight as if we're holding a solid plank the entire time. If you can't hold a solid plank, a plank would be a really good thing to add to the end of your workouts. Maybe a max effort plank. Maybe it lasts for a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. But that solid plank position will help us with our stability as we're going up that wall. Again, we want to be trying to work ourselves and our comfort level to walking our hands a little closer to the wall, then back down. Little closer, back down, and then all the way upside down, holding that until you're comfortable and you feel like you have enough strength. Don't stay up there too long. You want to have the strength to be able to walk forward and come down gently and safely. So here's a great workout for you to do 3 times in the next week. Let's do a 10-minute EMOM. So every minute on the minute, do 1 wall walk. This will take 10 minutes. You get 10 wall walks in, but get up as high as you can, come back down, and relax. You can increase the challenge of that workout by doing a push-up, then a wall walk. And do that every minute on the minute for 10 minutes. As you start to get the hang of this, you could add an additional wall walk. You could make it a push-up, wall walk, up and down, wall walk up and down, and rest. And again, make that a 10-minute EMOM. So this is something that helps create strength, allows us to practice and get comfortable being upside down. If you're brand new to this, do that EMOM, 1 wall walk every minute on the minute for 10 minutes. Do that for a few weeks until you're really comfortable getting upside down. If you're pretty good at this stuff and you get through an entire week, and by the end of the week you could do a push-up and 2 wall walks for 10 minutes every minute on the minute, let's move into the second progression. You're ready.